Have you ever wondered how it all began? How the universe originated, evolved, and transformed into what we see today? In this video, we will try to tell this incredible story in just 6 minutes. Ready? Let's go. It all starts with the Big Bang, the primordial explosion that gave rise to space and time, about 13.8 billion years ago. At that moment, all the matter and energy in the universe was concentrated in an infinitely small and hot point, which rapidly expanded in all directions. In the first moments, the universe was so hot that atoms could not even form. Only after a few minutes, when the temperature dropped a bit, did the first hydrogen and helium nuclei appear. These are the simplest and most abundant elements in the universe. During the first 380,000 years, the universe continued to expand and cool, but it was still very dense and opaque. Light could not propagate freely. Only when the temperature dropped to about 3,000 degrees Celsius did the electrons join the nuclei and form the first neutral atoms. From then on, light could finally escape and travel through space. This is the so-called cosmic background radiation, the echo of the Big Bang that we can still detect today. But the universe still had no stars or galaxies. It was dark and uniform, with small fluctuations in matter density. These fluctuations were amplified by gravity, which attracted matter to denser regions and pushed away from emptier regions. Thus, the first cosmic structures were gradually formed, the gas clouds that gave rise to stars and galaxies. Stars are massive balls of gas that shine because they undergo nuclear reactions in their cores. These reactions transform light elements into heavier elements, releasing energy in the process. The most massive stars live for a short time, but die spectacularly, exploding in supernovae. These explosions launch heavy elements into space, such as carbon, oxygen, iron, and others, which were produced in the stars. These elements are essential for the formation of planets and life. Galaxies are collections of billions of stars, planets, dust, and gas, held together by gravity. There are various types of galaxies, such as spirals, ellipticals, and irregulars. Galaxies also group together into clusters and superclusters, forming a complex cosmic web. One of these galaxies is our Milky Way, a spiral galaxy with about 200 billion stars. One of them is our Sun, a medium-sized star that was born about 4.6 billion years ago. Along with the Sun, a disk of dust and gas formed, which gave rise to the planets of the solar system, including Earth. Earth is a rocky planet with a gas-rich atmosphere and a metallic core. It also has a natural satellite called the Moon, which formed when a Mars-sized body collided with the early Earth. The Moon stabilizes the motion of the Earth and influences the tides. Life on Earth began about 3.8 billion years ago in aquatic environments where organic molecules were present. The first living beings were simple and unicellular, but they diversified and adapted over time. About 2 billion years ago, cells with nuclei emerged, and about 1 billion years ago, multicellular organisms appeared. Life conquered the land about 500 million years ago, giving rise to plants, fungi, and animals. Among animals, vertebrates stand out, which have a dorsal spine. Vertebrates are divided into fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Mammals are animals that have fur and mammary glands. Among mammals, primates stand out, which have hands with fingers and opposable thumbs. Humans are primates that differ from other animals in their ability to reason, language, and culture. Humans evolved from common ancestors with chimpanzees about 7 million years ago in Africa. Modern humans emerged about 200,000 years ago and spread throughout the world, colonizing all continents. Humans developed agriculture, writing, art, science, technology, and society. Today, we are about 8 billion inhabitants on the planet, facing challenges such as climate change, social inequalities, and pandemics. But we also have hopes for a better future. With more knowledge, cooperation, and peace. And so we come to the end of our journey through time. We hope you enjoyed and learned a little more about our incredible cosmic history. If you liked this video, leave your like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next news. Until next time.